Another day, another story. Hey guys! Today we are making healthy chicken salad which is tasty and healthy as well. Prep time 10 minutes. We are using boneless skinless chicken breasts in a salad in salty water. Ingredients for making chicken salad. 1. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 1 pound or 450 grams, cut into 1/2 inch chunks. 2. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. 3. 1/4 cup yogurt. 4. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 5. 1 teaspoon honey. 6. 1 red capsicum, finely chopped. 7. 1/2 red apple. 8. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 9. 1/4 cup black grapes. 10. 1/4 cup toasted almonds, chopped. 11. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 12. Fresh green coriander leaves, for garnish, optional. Instructions. Cook the chicken in boiled water on medium flame until well cooked and add some salt and black while boiling. Put out chicken breast safely. Heat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Grill the chicken for about 6-7 minutes per side or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and the chicken is no longer pink in the center. Remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Once rested, dice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Prepare the dressing. In a mixing bowl, combine the mayonnaise, yogurt, mustard, and honey. Mix until well combined. Taste the dressing and adjust the sweetness or tanginess by adding more honey or mustard as needed. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the diced chicken, chopped celery, chopped red onion, halved grapes, and toasted almonds. Pour the dressing over the salad ingredients. 1. Gently toss all the ingredients together until they are well coated with the dressing. 2. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors meld together. 1. Serve. 1. Before serving, give the chicken salad a final stir. 2. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro if desired. 3. Serve on a bed of greens, in a sandwich, or with crackers. This chicken salad is not only easy to make but also packed with flavor. It's perfect for a light lunch, dinner, or as a party appetizer. Feel free to adjust the ingredients or seasonings to suit your personal taste. Please like and subscribe.